Stop, please.
Not this again.
Fine. Damn you three. Sulky, angry, Scarface. A right barrel of laughs.
Yep.
So, we block the tracks with the wagon, then jump them. That's the plan.
Pretty much. Charles, you deal with the engineer.
You're going too fast.
So,
Yeah, where were we?
John, secure the passenger car fast, take charitable donations, and make sure everyone behaves. Little Mr. McGuire, you focus on the baggage car. Grab any valuables you can find. Shoot your mouth, get a bullet back.
Whoa! He's up on them horses.
Here's good. Stop the wagon over the tracks. Remember, these are innocent folks. We handle this right, nobody needs to...
Mr. Marston, Mr. Smith, Mr. McGuire, ha! Get over there. When she slows, order.
And you?
I'm gonna make sure she slows.
That's do or die with you. I like it.
Get moving. Here she comes.
What's going on here? What's going on?
Nothing good. I'm going aboard. Make that quick and join us on there.
Hey! All right, get on that train!
Bastard. All yours, Captain. We'll go on ahead.
Everybody stay calm before you get shot. Go. Everything you got. Money, valuable.
Please, I'll do anything.
There you go. Let's make this quick, people. Come on. We ain't leaving until this bag's full.
Don't do it. I beg
I ain't got nothing. Want to have a little chat with Romeo and Juliet here? Deal with these two, will you, Mr. M?
I'll do anything.
You're better than this.
What's the problem here?
I am advanced.
Money, valuable.
Don't do this! Just give it to him, Thomas, please!
Okay, come on. Okay. In the bag,
God
everything
damn
you
it.
got. Keep it coming. Don't be shy.
People like you make me sick!
These two seem to think we're playing games.
God damn it. Sick is better than dead, lady. I'm losing my goddamn patience.
Let's just do what he says so this can be over. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a robbery.
Maybe what you got,
quick.
mister, you won't get hurt.
Okay, huh? You sure about that? You show this son of a bitch we ain't playing around here. You're better than this.
I don't want to get killed. I'll do anything.
You boys this fella, will you?
No, you go ahead and look for the baggage car.
Right, you are.
Quick, come on! Come on, partner. Come on, quick! Get
Everything you
involved,
got.
mister.
Money,
Everything you got.
valuables. We ain't leaving until this bag's full.
You won't get a damn cent from me.
Let me hand you over to my friend.
I am. Give me everything you got. Don't make me hurt me, honey, now! Son of a bitch.
Come on, cup it up, people. Don't be shy. Everything you got. Let's go.
Empty your pockets, mister, and you can be on your way. Gonna need all your money, my friend. You got a big problem.
I can handle this from here. You should check on Sean.
Okay.
Okay. None of you folks move a muscle.
What is it? You all right?
Fill the baggage car.
For Christ's sake, you ain't even taken a look yet?
Might be something in here, Arthur.
Get up, you little Irish shit. Get up.
This time I'll look and you provide the cover.
I'll try my best, brother, but I'm seeing double here.
That gives you twice the chance of hitting someone.
Very funny.
We're looking good in here.
I'm gonna have a right out lump on me head.
At least you ain't got a hole in it.
Are those tennis rackets in there? Posh bastards.
Just keep your eyes peeled.
I'm doing me best, all right.
I know, that's what's worrying me. We'll take that.
All right, we should probably be going now. Come on, we should get out of here.
These folks are rich, all right. Some decent stuff.
Arthur, we've got a problem. There's two arseholes on horses.
How many you say?
I just see a pair of them.
In that case, we're fighting. Marston, Smith, get ready.
You men come out the train now, do you hear? We said you men come out now.
There's only two of you fools. We got a whole lot less to lose. Why don't the two of you ride away? That way neither of you get killed. Goddamn liberties.
Ed, there's a few more of them turning up.
Man, my big mouth. Okay, let's deal with them.
What? There they are! Open fire, man!
Shit, we got more on the left. We got more coming from the trees there.
Look out behind us! Coming in on